Hello everybody, it is ssgsuperstitch here. In today's video we're going to be learning how to download MongoDB. MongoDB is a database that you can use to store different information. I use it primarily to store economy data, but you can use it to store people that have been warned, people that have been kicked, and much more. So let's get right into it. The first thing they want to do is go to Robo3T. This link will be in the description. Every link here will be in the description. Now, download Robo3T plus Studio 3T. While that's downloading, go to MongoDB, which will be the other link there. Press Start Free, and you can either sign up with Google, but I'm not going to just, or I can sign up with Google. I already have an account, so hopefully I can try to find an email that doesn't. I did? Okay. So now you're going to create an organization. And now name your organization whatever, so I'm just going to name it tutorial. And then next, add members. Just create the organization. You only would add members if you're going to add more people, but you don't really need to. Now in here you need to create a new project. Just call this Discord bot or whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. No, yeah. Okay, now we're going to build a database. And we're going to do a free and hobby because we don't want to have to pay for it. And this will work just fine. It doesn't expire anything. Okay, and then AWS is fine. Whatever it selects you is fine. And then you're going to name it. I'll name it tutorial. Just because that was easy for me. Okay, now create cluster. And it's going to take a minute or two to create, so I will get back to you when it's done. Okay, after your cluster has been created, you can go to database access. You're going to do add new database user. So, just put superstitch and then enter password. You can put whatever you want. I'm just gonna put something simple. And then you're going to, this is fine. And there we go, add user. Now, you don't need to save this. You can go back to databases, press connect, and in here, add your current IP address at different, choose connection method. Okay, so it's gonna have to have your IP address, so mine's not gonna be shown. And now you're going to connect using MongoDB Compass. In here, you're going to copy this whole string right here. Now go into Robo3T, and this is the SSG bot. But so now we're going to do connect, and now, sorry, I connected to mine again. So connect, and then create. In here, the name. You can name it whatever you want, so I'll just name it tutorial. And now here, you're going to put, I'm going to paste what you did, then you're going to, inside here, put your password. So mine's just 12345, because this is the test bot. Now you're going to press from SRV. This is all fine, and save. Now, connect. So here are the two things that you have. And now you're going to create database. In your database, you can name whatever you want. So I'm going to name this tutorial. And then copy this, which is very important. You need to copy this right here. Create. And now you can go to your bot, and in your config copy.json, what you're going to want to do is you're going to, under where your token is, and I've already refreshed this token, you're going to put MongoDB, and then this is going to be, so just put this down on the side for now, whatever you named your thing. Now you're going to go back to your MongoDB, and you're going to press connect your application, and you're going to copy this long string right there, and now you can go back to your code, and here you're going to put that long string, and again, password where your password was, and then you're going to copy this if it's like long. Now, from where it says my first database, right behind the question mark, press, just put the name of your database, and that's all you have here. And now here you're going to, you can do it right above here, so just, first you need to require Mongoose, so Mongoose, and I'll download it right now. So Mongoose is just, it's a way to have all the functions of MongoDB without having to require each one. So npm I Mongoose, and now in Mongoose you're going to require Mongoose. Okay, and now right here underneath you're going to do mongoose.connect, then what you named your thing in here, so you're going to do token, comma, MongoDB, that is what I called it, MongoDB, comma, brackets. Now in here you're going to do use new URL parser, and you're going to set this to true. Use unified topology, you're going to also set this to true, and now use find and modify, you're going to set this to false. And now you're going to final thing, this will just be for you to do, you're going to create a new folder called models. And that is all you have to do for this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Now you have MongoDB Setup, and it can be used for a lot of different things. I really like it. You might want to put here .then console.log database connected, and now if we check, our database should be connected, and if it isn't, so yes, the database has been connected now, so that means that it is ready to put whatever you guys need. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and now this actually is the end of the video, and if you guys have any questions or want to know how to do something with MongoDB, please reach out on either the Discord, or you can DM the official SSG clan on Instagram, or DM ssgsuperstitch on Instagram. Put comments down below. As always, please subscribe, and